I gotta say I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
I wanted to actually tell you. You can put this in the video. I found you. Are you still looking for a Type R?
It's
a black.
Yes, I am still looking for one. Yes.
2018.
Okay.
The only thing that the owner, what he did was he made this this carbon area. He made it red for some reason.
Okay.
So are you interested?
Where is it?
It's right here.
In Woodland?
Yeah, it's right here in Woodland.
How much does he want for it?
It's right here. Here it is.
Dude, get out of here! Get out of here! That's hilarious. Is this for me?
That's for you, man.
That's funny.
Because you know, I think that's the closest you're gonna get to a 2018.
Wow. I'm gonna like Velcro this or I'm gonna put this on my dash.
Baby.